Hello, and welcome to English language learning class. I'm so glad you're here. Today, I'll be telling you a heartwarming story about a young woman named Sana who follows her dreams and opens her very own salon. This story is told in simple, slow, and clear English, perfect for beginners and A1, A2 learners. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this story. In the heart of a charming, bustling town surrounded by green hills, 26-year-old Sana stood in front of the gleaming glass door of her brand new salon, Sana's Serenity Spa. The morning sun cast a golden glow on the hand-painted sign, its elegant cursive letters shining with pride and purpose. Today was her dream come true, her first day as a salon owner. Her heart fluttered with excitement and a little nervousness. With hands trained through years of practice in haircuts, facials, manicures, and skincare, Sana had turned her passion into a beautiful reality. The salon was peaceful and perfect. Soft lavender walls met polished wooden floors. Comfortable styling chairs sat ready beneath large, sparkling mirrors. The shelves were neatly lined with premium hair and skincare products she had carefully chosen. The air smelled of jasmine from a diffuser on the counter and fresh flowers from her mother. Sana wore a crisp white apron with her name stitched in golden thread. Her makeup was light and natural, and small silver earrings sparkled gently in the morning light. At 9 a.m., Sana took a deep breath, turned the sign to open, and stepped into her new life. For a little while, the salon was quiet. She spent time arranging handmade soaps on display, her mother's thoughtful gift. At 9:30 a.m., the bell above the door jingled. Her best friend Leila walked in holding a bouquet of red roses.
Surprise.
Your first official customer, she laughed. Sana smiled and hugged her. The nerves melted away. Leila sat in a chair and asked for a scalp massage and a haircut. As Sana worked, they laughed and talked about their school days. The salon was already filled with happiness. By 11 a.m., more people started to arrive. Mrs. Khan, an old client from Sana's previous job, came in for a manicure. She looked around the soft pastel walls and said, "This place feels like home." Sana's heart filled with pride. Soon after, Amina, a young bride-to-be, entered nervously for her wedding makeup trial. Sana smiled gently, applied a soft smoky eye and rosy blush, and handed her the mirror. "Oh my gosh," Amina said. "I look beautiful. I'm booking you for my big day." She left a glowing review on her phone before leaving. At 1 p.m., a group of teenage girls walked in curiously. Sana welcomed them with kindness and gave them scented hand massages. She shared beauty tips and turned their visit into a fun, friendly workshop. Giggles and joy filled the room. By 2:30 p.m., the salon was full of energy. Scissors snipped, blow dryers buzzed, and clients chatted happily. Sana even styled an elderly man's silver hair into a neat comb-over. His big grin and generous tip made her feel grateful. At 3 p.m., something went wrong. The coffee machine stopped working mid-brew. A client looked disappointed. Without delay, Sana offered her special herbal tea from home. They chatted while sipping tea, and the client smiled. "You just saved my day. I'll be back with friends." Later that afternoon, Sana took a short break in the back room. She stretched her arms, sipped water, and looked at a small photo of her late grandmother, a beautician who had inspired her since childhood. "I hope you're proud of me," she whispered with a soft smile. Her final walk-in of the day was a shy teenager asking for a bold haircut. With care and precision, Sana gave her a fresh layered bob. The girl looked in the mirror, smiled brightly, and took a selfie outside the salon door. By 5:30 p.m., the last client had left. Sana cleaned the salon, swept the floors, and wiped the mirrors. The warm orange sunset filled the room. She counted the money, enough to cover expenses and more. She couldn't believe her eyes. Then came a surprise delivery, a chocolate cake from Leila. The note read, "To new beginnings." Sana sat by the window, enjoyed a slice, and watched the town settle down. At 6 p.m., she flipped the sign to closed, locked the door, and stood silently in her peaceful, glowing salon. Her heart was full. She looked up and softly whispered, "Grandma, we did it." With tired feet but a hopeful smile, she walked home, ready for the journey ahead. Thank you so much for listening to this story. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, English Language Learning Class, like this video, and share it with your friends who are learning English. Your support helps me bring you more beautiful and simple English stories every week. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.